tell you all. Currently, we are going through a crisis time. Kerala, it has been announced that there's a spread of coronavirus. So that's one thing which I wanted to talk to you guys about. There's no particular medicine to this. One thing very important is your own immunity system. It's very ironical. I'm talking to you about it. I don't know what's going to happen to me after this today. But fingers crossed, nothing is going to happen. Immunity is very important for you. That's something which you can do it by yourself, by taking care of yourself. Proper sleep, a good diet, exercise. I know. But I follow other things. Don't go for medication at every small things. Like if you have a little bit of a headache or a stomach ache, etc., try to not get into medication because you're kind of forcing your body to get used to these things. So the more you avoid it and the more natural repair your body gets, that's going to be like the best thing in order to tackle the problems which are going to come up, and that's going to help your immunity system a lot. Right, so we have the owner of Diner 49B Shoptalk with us. Shoptalk, how's it going?
Hello Pushpa, how are you?
We're doing good.
It's been a long time.
Absolutely.
So, welcome.
Let's get inside. So Shoptalk, what are the precautionary measures which you all are taking?
Basically what we are doing first is we are normally checking the body temperature of every customer entering the restaurant.
Okay.
Then we are sanitizing the hand with the sanitizer. Then after that we are allowing them in the restaurant. We have placed the tables and all
in a scattered manner,
scattered way and spacious manner, so that it is not linked to tight with or getting crowded with each other.
Right, so we are now seated at their mezzanine, which is a pretty cute arrangement done over here. This too has been scattered. It used to be more before, but the space has been increased between the two. I think he's removed the ones which were placed in between. So Shoptalk, let's go through the menu once.
Yeah, sure. This is the menu. We have reduced the items.
Okay.
We have not increased the prices or anything, but we have reduced the variety because of the situation and availability of the products.
It's always better to reduce the variety, and you can ensure more of social distancing and more of space in your kitchen as well. So that's something which
Yes, and we are also even working with 50% of staff.
All right.
So that there is social distancing maintained in a proper manner.
All right.
Among everybody. Proper hygiene is being maintained and proper precautionary measures are also being taken. One of them is like we have decided to serve the customer with this setup in which A spoon, a knife and a fork is already included along with 2 tissue papers.
Okay.
This will be served to each person.
Okay,
who is
individually.
with the-
Alright. Just bring it a little closer. As you can see, it's sealed. So you do not have to worry about having something or using something which has been used or touched by someone else before. It has been sanitized and sealed, and it's going to be opened only once you are seated and your food is ready.
It would be opened by yourself. The
Alright, alright.
staff won't be opening it.
And what is your timing right now, Shopto?
Right now my timing is from 12:30 p.m.
Okay.
Till 8 o'clock.
Till 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Alright, as per the
Since,
government norms.
the curfew is going after 9 o'clock. And for delivery timings or takeaway, we are open till 10. So we are available on Swiggy and Zomato till 10 o'clock from 12:30 p.m.
Fantastic. And finally, for those who are watching for the first time, could you help them out with the exact location of your place?
Yeah, my place is situated in Jodhpur Park. It is very near to Jodhpur Park Post Office.
Alright.
You take the turn from the Jodhpur Park Post Office, come straight and take the first right. And you, if you come straight, and you will find the location.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Shoptalk. I can see that you're visibly very nervous about this entire thing. I can understand how tough it has been for you as a restaurant owner. We totally sympathize and empathize with you guys. And
We
wish
all are encouraged to wear masks and gloves.
Absolutely.
But right now I'm not wearing masks because
it's not audible. We've
yeah.
received a lot of complaints that we are not audible. So that is the reason why we've taken off the mask right now. But all guests are advised to wear the mask for as long as possible. Of course, not during while you're eating, but as
While
long as
entering.
possible. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shoptalk. We wish you all the best. Cheers. Right. So we're going to get an in-hand experience of a couple of guests who are here. It's a couple. Hi guys.
Hello.
So how has your experience been thus far?
We are visiting a restaurant after 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
It's hygienic, the food is good. Shoptalk and his team is doing excellent.
The food is actually fresh.
So what all have you guys had so far? What is it that you're ordering and how is it different than a usual day?
We had soup,
Okay.
corn soup, and we had fish and chips, and we are having this pizza,
Alright.
which is actually very delicious. So now I'm feeling like watching.
So is it a conscious effort on your part not to order a mocktail but instead something which is like a hot beverage, a soup?
Yes, actually it was raining outside and we were drenched in water. So the soup was that way. Or
It goes perfect. That's a lot of
yeah.
enthusiasm which you guys have to brave not only the weather but also the ongoing condition. Good. You guys enjoy? Cheers.
Thank you.